Hey, I'm Sarah Price, and I'm going to attempt to sing Tim McGraw by Taylor Swift. Okay, sorry, let me get the lyrics really quickly. Okay. Said the way my blue eyes shine, put those Georgia stars to shame that night. He said that's a lie, just a boy in a Chevy truck that had the tendency of getting stuck on back roads tonight, and I was right there beside him all summer long. And then the time we woke up to find that some had gone. But when you think Tim McGraw, I hope you think my favorite song, the one we dance to all night long, with the moon like a spotlight on the lake. And when you think happiness, I hope you think my little white dress, think of my head on your chest and my old faded blue jeans. But when you think Tim McGraw, I hope you think of me. September was all a month of tears, and thanking God that you weren't here to see me like that. But in a box beneath my bed was a letter that you never read from 3 months back. Okay, obviously I can't sing, but I tried my hardest, which means the most, I guess. And my next video, I will be singing Unfaithful by Rihanna, and I'll post that as soon as I can. Thanks.